Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe, and everyone is in fun, having fun. Okay, students, have you completed your last work? This is your English class. Have you completed your last work? What we have done in our last work? क्या किया था हमने? What we have done? We have done the work about the adjectives. You have to write the adjective before the nouns, and you have to match the nouns with adjective and use them in the sentences. I hope you all have done this very easily. Okay. So students, what we are going to do today, we are going to do 2 to 3 small things. Okay. First, the things we are going to do, we are going to do the arrange the words in alphabetical order. Means the words are given to you and you have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Means when we start our alphabets A, B, C, D, जब हम अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में देखते हैं हमारे कंटेंट्स होते हैं, हमारे डायरेक्टरी होती है, जब फोन नंबर्स की, इसमें देखें सबसे पहले अल्फाबेट्स के होते हैं, पहले ए वाले होते हैं, फिर बी वाले, फिर सी वाले, फिर डी वाले, फिर ई वाले। ठीक है, इसी तरह सब अल्फाबेट्स के ऑर्डर से पहले वो वर्ड आता है जो ए से आता है, फिर वो वर्ड आता है, डिक्शनरी भी आप खोल कर देखें तो इसके बाद यही आता है। ठीक है, बाज दफा इस तरह होता है कि सेम अल्फाबेट से दो वर्ड स्टार्ट हो रहे होते हैं, तो हम उसके बाद वाला अल्फाबेट देखते हैं कि ये इवन पहले वाला पहले कौन सा आ रहा है, उसके पहले वर्ड में जो आ रहा है वो पहले आएगा, या जो दूसरे वर्ड में जो आ रहा है वो पहले आएगा। ठीक है, मीन्स एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको दे दूं, मीन्स ग्रो, ओके, एंड ग्रीव। ठीक है, GROW ग्रो, GREW ग्रीव। GR तो सेम ही रहेंगे, तो आप इसके बाद वाला अल्फाबेट देखेंगे, ओ पहले आएगा या पहले ई आएगा? तो पहले ई आएगा, तो पहले हम ग्रीव लिखेंगे, फिर बाद ओ वाला हम बाद में लिखेंगे। इसी तरह हम अल्फाबेट के ऑर्डर से उनको अरेंज कर कर लिखते जाएंगे। सही है, पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट व्हाट वी विल राइट, we will mention the date and day on the top of the page. Okay, first, what is the day? Today is Tuesday. Revision work, and 27th of Shawwal, 1442, and the date is 8th of June, 8th of June 2021. So students, first we will write the question. What is the question? Put this word, put these, writing should be neat and clean and according to your writing series. If I am making mistake, don't do it you, okay? Alphabetical order, 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 ORDER. Put these words in alphabetical order. Okay, I am not writing with blue because it gets so messy. I am writing it black. You can also write with blue also. Drink, class, gun, stars, bang, truck, wall. Okay, These are the words: drink, class, gun, stars, bang, truck, wall. Okay, now you have to arrange this, okay, in alphabetical order. Now I will tell you how you will do this. I will left 2 lines for that, and the second one is grass, drop, black, start, climb, thick, grade. Okay, now I help you. I will tell you verbally how you will do. First, you will see the first alphabets of each word. You can see here, we can see a word starting from B, bang. Then bang will come. Then C, class. D, drink. E, F, G. G, gun. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, stars. Then truck. Then last wall. Okay. In the same way, you can see here grass, drop, black. So we will start from here: black, climb, drop. Here there are two words: grass and grade. GR, GR. Both are same, but then we will see the alphabet after R. Here is A and here is E. Which word will come first? Grass or grade? Grass will come, then grade, then start, then thick. Okay, arrange according to the alphabetical order. I hope you have understand it. Okay, the next work, first mention the date and day. Tuesday. Revision work, 27th of Shawwal. June 2021. Okay. Write the rhyming words. Yani the words which I am giving you, you have to write the rhyming words for the each. Okay. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी, जरूरी नहीं है कि आपकी बुक में हो सकता है बुक में भी हो, लेकिन हो सकता है बुक के बगैर भी हो. ठीक है, तो यू हैव टू हियर व्हाट आर राइमिंग वर्ड्स. बेटा आपको पता है जैसे व्हाट आर राइमिंग वर्ड्स. राइमिंग वर्ड्स आर द वर्ड्स which have the same sound but different meaning. Right? Fine. Same sound, different meaning. Okay. Number one is beer. Number two is door. Number three is day. Number four is go. Number five is three. Number six is green, okay. Number 7 is true. Number 8 is hair. Okay. These are the rhyming words, students. Bear, door, day, go, tree, green, through, hair. Okay. 8 rhyming words have given you. Means bear, tear, fear. Okay. You have to use these words. Okay. You have to find the rhyming words of these things. Okay. If you are facing any problem, you can ask me, dear. You can ask me, okay? Now, today what we are going to do, the third one work. What you have to do today, we are going to do the singular and plurals. Singular and plurals. What is mean by the singular? क्या होगा singular? What are singulars? Singular is the one quantity, okay? And more than one quantity is are the plurals, okay? मीन्स वाहिद जमा जो हम उर्दू में कहते हैं, सिंगुलर वाहिद को कहते हैं और प्लूरल हम किसे कहते हैं बेटा? प्लूरल हम जमा को कहते हैं, ठीक है? सिंगुलर एंड plurals. Okay, then you mention here the revision work and date 26th of Shawwal. I am mentioning in every page that you should also mention at every page, okay? At the end of June 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Okay? Now the first one is some are the words where we include just as, where the word end with S, O, X, CH, we add ES, okay? And when we are having a Y, we remove the Y and include IES, okay? Fly, which, okay? 3, knife. When we are having F in the word, what we will do, we will remove the F and we will include V, okay? Baby, mango. Wow, it's a mango season now. Are you eating the mangoes? Everyone likes the mangoes or the few persons? Star, city, and the last one is fox. Fly, first one is fly. Second is witch, W-I-T-C-H, witch. Knife, N-I-F-E, knife. Baby, B-A-B-Y, baby. Mango, M-A-N-G-O, go, mango. Star, S-T-A-R, star. C-I-T-Y, city. F-O-X, fox. Fine. These are the singular plurals. What we have done today, we have done the revision of arranging in alphabetical orders. Okay. What we have done, arranging the words in alphabetical order. Number 2 is the rhyming words. Beer, door, day, go, 3. Green, true, hair. Okay. If you are not finding in your copy, then please use your brains and try to find the rhyming word for that. It's a very easy exercise, okay? And then the last work we have done the singular plurals. Please do complete your work and keep your work complete, that if you come in the school, your all work should be complete. And it is necessary for you. आपको रिवीजन करते रहना चाहिए बेटा. हम जब बैठकर आपको काम करवा रहे हैं, that it's not responsibility, you should also do your work. अपने पेरेंट्स को तंग नहीं करें बेटा, अपने पढ़ाई पर तवज्जो दें ताकि आपका वक्त जाया ना हो, आप सब कुछ भूलते ना चले जाएं. प्लीज बात को समझें और अपनी पढ़ाई पर तवज्जो दें. अभी आप बड़े हो गए माशाल्लाह, आप लोगों की भी कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हैं. ठीक है. अपना अपने घर वालों का ख्याल रखिएगा, अपना काम वक्त पर करिएगा, अपने अम्मी अब्बू को तंग नहीं करिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.